How to set up my Google Sitekit properly in WordPress admin. So this is a basic and easy guide on how to set up my Google Sitekit properly in WordPress admin. So as you can see, this is Google Site. If you go to any Google web browser and then type this one, you need to install this. However, if you use this or just simply add this to your WordPress plugin, then everything will go on smoothly. So go to your WordPress plugin and search for Google Sitekit. So basically, you have to go to the search icon, type Google Sitekit. Anyways, if you can't see plugin, just go to your dashboard, scroll down, top plugins, add new. And like what I mentioned earlier, you have to add Sitekit by Google Analytics Search Console. So this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is to click activate. As you can see, Sitekit is a one-stop solution for WordPress users to use everything Google has to offer to make them successful on the web. So if you want to connect this or activate, just click activate. Once you activate, go to your dashboard and you should see this Sitekit below dashboard. Click that one and this is what it looks like. So basically, you need to connect Google Analytics as part of your setup. So check the box. You need to sign in with your Google first. So once you're signed in, then you can click this Connect Google Analytics. And this is what it looks like. So you have to turn on metrics in your dashboard to show metrics in your site. Okay, you will see your website right here. To access your Google account data, you can view or revoke access for your website in your site kit settings at any time. So click allow and you can select or deselect some things that you want to give access to. Okay, so once you have tapped that, then you will see your site is already added to Search Console. You will be able to see how people find your site and search in your site kit dashboard. And what you're going to do next is click this next button below. As you can see, congratulations, you successfully set up SiteKit. You can now see how your site appears in search, how many visitors you get, your popular pages, and how people found them from search. So if you're ready, then you can tap this Go to My Dashboard. So this is your SiteKit dashboard. As you can see, congrats on completing the setup for SiteKit. So as you can see, there is this traffic, content, speed, and monetization, which we're going to talk about later. So first is the traffic. You can find out how your audience is growing. So when you tap traffic right here, you will see search traffic over the last 28 days or so on. Then if you tap content, then you will see how your content is doing. Keep track of your most popular pages and how people found them from search. So you will see here the improvement or anything you need to improve. And if you want to see more, you will see this search console. You can tap that one, click this one here, and it will take you directly to this. Okay, Google Search Console. You can see here your website. So basically, this one is a tool that allows you to monitor and optimize how your website performs in Google search results. So you will see here performance overview, search queries, tab content, search appearance data, index coverage, crawl errors and warnings, mobile usability report. So basically here in Search Console, you can easily monitor SEO performance, identify SEO opportunities, fix technical issues, and optimize content. So in short, this page or this site right here for Search Console and Google Sitekit provides a simplified, integrated view of your website search performances and SEO health. And aside from that, you can also add properties. So if you want to change, if you want to add another website, just click that one and change property. And you will see the performance of this property. Now let's go back. And if you tap speed right here, that is next to content. Okay, so speed. In Google Sitekit, the speed module provide insights into how fast your website loads and performance based on data from Google Page Speed Insights. So it helps you understand how users experience your website in terms of speed and highlights areas for improvement to enhance user experience and potential improve search rankings as page speed is a ranking factor in Google search. So the features of the speed module, if you don't mind, is first is the performance score. So the module gives you a performance score for your website on both mobile and desktop device. The core web vitals. The speed module reports on core web vitals, which are crucial metrics that Google uses to evaluate the overall user experience. Also, opportunities for improvement. The speed module highlights specific recommendations for improving sites, performance such as optimizing images and so on. Also, field data and lab data, mobile versus desktop performance, historical data. Okay, so the speed module in Google Sitekit helps you monitor and improve your website's performance by providing insights into load times, user interaction speeds, and layout stability. And last we have here is the monetization. Of course, this Google Sitekit monetization refers to the integration and management of ad revenue on your WordPress website. So what you're going to do here is you just have to simply click this complete setup right here. As you can see, you can earn from your site, save time with automated ads, and you're in control with everything. So this AdSense integration or this Google site allows you to connect your website with Google AdSense. It also displays ads on your website. When it comes to earning reports, you will see here the data on impressions, like how many times ads were shown to users, clicks, the number of clicks on ads, revenue, how much you've earned based on impressions and clicks. Also, you will see your ad performance insights, auto ads management, easy setup for monetization, monetization status, and optimize ad placement. So, in summary, monetization in Google site is centered around Google AdSense, allowing you to effortlessly integrate ads, track your earnings, and optimize on performance, all within your WordPress dashboard. So it's very important that you have upgraded your plan too in order for you to add this to your plugin. So once you have upgraded your plan, go to plugins, add this one, and you should see that site kit in order for you to activate that. That is below dashboard. Okay, so what is the difference between adding this site kit to your WordPress and just install it? So adding this Google Sitekit to your WordPress website offers several key advantages, making it a powerful tool for website owners who want to integrate Google services easily. No need to go to other Google website and then add this or install this. You could just basically go to your WordPress and then upgrade your WordPress, go to plugin and then add this. So this is all in one dashboard for key Google tools like the Google Search Console, Google Analytics, Google AdSense, Google Page Speed Insights, Google Tag Manager, Google Optimize, and so on. So basically that is the advantage. So in summary, using Google Kit on your WordPress website provides a range of advantages from simplifying the integration of powerful Google tools to offering real time performance insights. By leveraging this tool in one place, you can improve your site's SEO, performance, user experience, and monetization efforts, all while saving time and reducing complexity. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.